Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great, and oh my god, I cannot believe that I'm talking to you guys directly through my very own YouTube channel, and I'm so excited. Yay! Okay, I'm assuming that you might be watching this video around Christmas or maybe on Christmas, so Merry Christmas to all of you. I've tried to get ready in all the reds to give you the vibe of Christmas, and yeah. Okay, so firstly, let me introduce myself to you guys. My name is Akanksha Singh and I'm an actor by profession. You must have seen me somewhere on YouTube doing some acting. But if you haven't, then अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही हमारी latest video आई थी on Swagger Sharma channel. I will make sure that I drop the link below in my description box. So after you finish watching this video, you can go and check that video out and let me know how did you like it. So I wanted to start a YouTube channel from a very long time, and now that when I'm talking to you guys through one, I really can't tell you how excited, happy, grateful and thankful I feel. And also talking about this channel, we are going to cover law of attraction in this, and if you are not familiar with what law of attraction is, do not worry, I'm here. I'm gonna tell you everything related to law of attraction, and in case if you know about it, then well and good, and we are gonna get deeper into that stage so you can stay connected to know more about it. And apart from that, I will be posting some random videos on the channel just to keep it a bit fun and easy breezy. And I think that was all for the introduction of this channel and myself. And let's talk about the main topic that we have made this channel for, that is law of attraction. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so in case if you know or don't know, let me tell you, law of attraction simply means whatever your thoughts are about, you transform them into your reality. That means कि हम जो कुछ भी सोचते हैं, हम जैसा भी सोचते हैं, हमारे थॉट्स जैसे होते हैं, हम वही चीज़ें अपने लाइफ में, अपनी रियलिटी में क्रिएट करते हैं. Thoughts are so powerful, thoughts are something that are so strong कि हम consciously, unconsciously, जैसे भी कुछ भी सोचते हैं, हम वही चीज़ें, वही इवेंट्स, वही एनर्जी अपनी लाइफ में कल्टिवेट करते हैं, अपनी लाइफ में अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. नाउ हाउ डज इट वर्क? इट सिंपली वर्क्स ऑन 3 बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ आस्क, बिलीव एंड रिसीव. एक एक करके सबके बारे में बात करते हैं और जानते हैं कि ये कैसे वर्क करते हैं. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल इज टू आस्क. नाउ व्हाट डज दैट मीन? आस्क सिंपली मीन्स कि हमें जो कुछ भी चाहिए होता है, हमारी जो भी डिज़ायर होती है, हम वो सोचें, एंड सोचने से ही वो थॉट हमारा हम यूनिवर्स को भेज रहे हैं, एंड यूनिवर्स विल गेट टू नो कि दिस इज़ व्हाट वी आर वांटिंग एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट वी वांट टू गेट इनटू आवर लाइफ, दिस इज़ व्हाट वी आर विशिंग फॉर. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अलादीन की कहानी में जिन था, हमारी कहानी में यूनिवर्स है. हमारे लिए ये यूनिवर्स इस जिन की तरह एक्ट करता है. हम उससे जो कुछ भी बोलेंगे, हम उसे जो कुछ भी डिज़ायर्स या विशेस बताएंगे, थॉट्स के थ्रू वो उनको पूरा करेगा, और वो हमारे थॉट्स के थ्रू ये चीज़ समझेगा कि हमें क्या चाहिए या क्या नहीं चाहिए. ओके, सो यूनिवर्स ऑलवेज सेज योर विश इज़ माई कमांड. यूनिवर्स को इस चीज़ से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि आपकी विश क्या है, आपकी विश कितनी बड़ी है, आपकी विश आपके अकॉर्डिंग कितनी रैशनल है या इरैशनल है. ये चीज़ें एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती हैं. इफ़ यू आर मेकिंग अ विश and you actually believe in that wish, you are putting your thought out there that this is what you want, the universe is gonna make sure that it is done, because for universe you are somebody who is commanding him and it's his responsibility to get it fulfilled. So in this process you just need to understand कि you just need to put your thought out there in front of universe, not by saying it in specific. You can say it, you can feel it, you can just think about it, and universe will automatically start to gain it from you ki okay, this is what the person is trying to cultivate into his life, this is what the person wants into their life, this is what the person desires for, and therefore the universe will put it right in front of you, and the universe will just get your command and get it done for you. Now, once you're done asking for your wish, the second step, the second principle is to believe. So you have put your thought out there to the universe that, you know, this is what I want into my life. Now, the second step is to just sit back and relax. यू जस्ट हैव टू बिलीव कि आपने जो भी थॉट्स, आपने जो भी डिज़ायर यूनिवर्स को बोला है फुलफ़िल करने के लिए, वो यूनिवर्स आपको फुलफ़िल करके देगा, बिकॉज यूनिवर्स इज़ द मैजिशियन, एज आई हैव मेंशन बिफोर ऑल्सो. कैसे, क्यों, कब, कहाँ इज़ नॉट योर प्रॉब्लम, इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन. ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके बारे में अगर आप सोचोगे कि कैसे, कब, कहाँ, क्यों, तो आप यूनिवर्स को एक तरीके से डाउट कर रहे हो, आप यूनिवर्स के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा रहे हो, एंड देयरफॉर यू आर जस्ट गेटिंग अवे, अ स्टेप अवे फ्रॉम योर विश टू कम ट्रू. डू नॉट डू दैट. Just sit back, relax and try to feel that it's already done. Try to just feel the happiness of the moment कि जब वो चीज़ एक्चुअली में होएगी तो आपको कैसा फील होगा, आप कितने खुश होगे, आपकी उस टाइम पे क्या फीलिंग्स होंगी. अगर वो फॉर एग्जाम्पल if I make a wish of like having a house that I buy from my own money for my parents, तो like for now it's not possible for me to get a home for my parents. तो अगर मैं डाउट करना स्टार्ट कर दूँगी कि यार अभी तो मेरी इनकम भी इतनी नहीं है, अभी तो मैं इतनी डिपेंडेंट भी नहीं हूँ, अभी तो मैं सोच ही नहीं सकती, अभी तो ये चीज़ कैसे होगी पूरी, पर मेरे को तो चाहिए घर. इट्स नॉट गोना गेट, it is not gonna come true because I am having a lot of doubts into my thoughts. So I am just trying to, I'm creating a resistance. I'm creating a resistance from my wish to get, fulfilled. Therefore, in this step, it's very important for you to actually for a moment forget what your reality is. You don't have to focus on your reality. You have to focus on what it would be, how it would be once it's done, once your wish is fulfilled. So now when I think कि okay fine, मैं ये सब बुरा नहीं सोचूंगी, I'll just think कि उस टाइम पे मुझे कैसा महसूस होगा, तो मैं एक स्टेप पास जा रही हूँ अपने विश के फुलफ़िल होने की, क्योंकि मैं यूनिवर्स को ट्रस्ट कर रही हूँ, मैं यूनिवर्स पे एक बिलीव दिखा रही हूँ कि फाइन यूनिवर्स, आई हैव asked for something from you and now I will sit back, I will relax because I know you are going to get it done for me. Now I know a lot of you might be thinking कि जो चीज़ मिली ही नहीं है उसके बारे में कैसे सोच के उसको खुश हो सकते हैं, और जो चीज़ चल रही है उसको भूलना कितना इम्प्रैक्टिकल बात है ये. ओके, आई नो दैट हमेशा नहीं कर सकते, बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल वेन एवर यू मेक अ डिज़ायर, वेन एवर यू मेक अ विश, you know कि how would you feel about it. Like for example, if I say कि मुझे अपने मॉम डैड के लिए घर लेना है अपने कमाए हुए पैसों से, तो when I actually think about it, if I close my eyes and I think about it for a second, I know कि maybe जब मैं उन्हें वो घर गिफ्ट करूँ तो शायद मेरे मॉम डैड की आंखों में थोड़ा बहुत आंसू हो, वो मुझे बहुत टाइटली हग करके रखें, और they might say कि इसकी क्या ज़रूरत थी, and I can see a smile, a white smile onto their face. Okay. Okay. मेरा अभी ऐसा कोई इरादा भी नहीं है कि मैं उनके लिए घर लेने वाली हूँ या कुछ भी ऐसा, बट आई जस्ट हैव अ थॉट कि समडे आई वुड डू दैट फॉर देम. एंड अगर मैंने आँख बंद करके उसमें प्रॉपर एनर्जी और फोकस के साथ उसे सोचने का ट्राई किया, तो आई हैड अ सेंस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस इनसाइड मी दैट आई माइट फील उस टाइम पे वो करते हो, उस टाइम तो और डबल होगी, बट अभी भी आई कुड डू दैट. सो व्हेन यू मेक अ विश फॉर योरसेल्फ, और ये तो मैंने बस ऐसी बातों बातों में आपके साथ अभी एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे बोल दिया, बट जब आप एक्चुअली किसी ऐसे विश पे काम करते हो जो आपको चाहिए होती है उस टाइम पे, तो आप उसके लिए बहुत स्ट्रांगली ऑलरेडी फील कर रहे होते हो. तो हर टाइम नहीं, बट दिन में एक बार दो बार पॉसिबल है अपनी रियलिटी को साइड करके उस चीज़ के बारे में सोचना जो आप चाहते हो अचीव करना, एक्ट एज इफ इट्स ऑलरेडी डन. And that is the difficult part, but that is something that once you start to do, you will get into the zone, and trust me, it won't be difficult, and you will start to enjoy it, because you are directly or indirectly feeling and sensing everything that is you will be feeling once the desire is fulfilled, and therefore you're also putting your interest out there in the universe. You're telling universe ki yes universe, I trust you, go ahead, make my wish fulfilled, I love you, I trust you, right? So here comes the third and the last principle, that is to receive. So once you have done your first and second principle nicely, universe starts to give you signals in form of numbers like 1111, 222, 555, or repetition into something. Like for example, if you have desired for a red car, and you start to see red car everywhere, like on the newspapers, on the news channels, or maybe when you're going out for a walk or scrolling through the WhatsApp, or listening to some song and you see that red car visual, or meeting your some old friend or maybe regular friend and you see that car, the same red car. Then it simply means that universe is trying to communicate to you, because it can't communicate to you verbally, so it has its own ways of communicating to you, and these are the ways. And therefore universe is trying to communicate to you and tell you that, okay love, your wish is going to be fulfilled very soon. You are on the correct path, so do whatever you are doing already, and I am just about to grant your wish. I am about to make your wish come true. Also, one more thing, sometimes there are desire where you have to work for it, where you cannot just get it served into your plate. So in that case, what universe do is universe bring out the opportunities for you. Okay, let's take the example of having a house from my own money for my mom dad. Now in that case, I know that currently I am not capable of getting a home for them. I am not financially and I'm not professionally that established कि I can get a home for them, because it is a big deal. It doesn't come in 10 rupees, it doesn't come in 1000 rupees, it requires a lot of money. Now, if I have put my thought out there, universe will do everything to get it fulfilled, right? Because I'm feeling it, I'm doing all the steps correctly. So in third step, what universe will do, he will give me the opportunities जो कि मुझे हेल्प करेंगी उस डिज़ायर को प्रॉपरली फुलफिल करने के लिए या ईजिली फुलफिल करने के लिए. यू हैव टू एक्चुअली ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटी. यू डू नॉट नीड टू क्वेश्चन यूनिवर्स, यू जस्ट हैव टू बिलीव इन इट, यू हैव टू एक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू इट, एंड यू हैव टू गेट योर विश फुलफिल्ड. यूनिवर्स के लिए कोई चीज़ बड़ी नहीं है, कोई चीज़ बहुत ही स्ट्रेंज नहीं है. उसे नहीं पता कि आप सही मान रहे हो, गलत चीज़ मांग रहे हो. उसके अकॉर्डिंग इन चीज़ों का कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं है. उसके अकॉर्डिंग सिर्फ और सिर्फ थॉट्स हैं जो कि आप उसको भेज रहे हो. एंड इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो डिमांडिंग फॉर समथिंग वेरी बिग विच यू थिंक इज़ आउट ऑफ योर लीग, बट एक्चुअली यू हैव वर्कड ऑन इट एंड यू हैव एक्चुअली डेवलप्ड अ बिलीव ओवर इट कि ठीक है, यू कैन अचीव इट. Trust me, universe will make everything fall into place if you act accordingly and if you act correctly. So once universe give you the proper opportunities, work on it, grab it, and trust me, it will be done. You will have your wish fulfilled. You will be able to enjoy your wish. You will be able to see it right through in front of you. And yeah, it's done. Easy, isn't it? Imagine it's that easy to get your wish fulfilled. I know you guys might be having a lot of questions into your mind. Do not worry, just go comment down all the things, all the queries, all the questions that you have into your mind right now, and I'll make sure that in my next video I cover all of that. In case if you're scared to reveal your identity or anything like that, do not worry, I'll also put my social handles somewhere around here or maybe in the end of the video. You can go on my Instagram or my Facebook and just DM me your queries, DM me your questions, and please, hi मेरे पास एक question है, question mark करके मत भेजना, just send me the queries directly and I will pick it up and I will talk about it in my next video. And don't worry, your identity would be secret. Also in law of attraction, one of the major part is the sense of gratitude, which I think we generally lack of. So why not to start doing something from now onwards. Let's try to give a sense of gratitude out there for the universe and just thank him for everything he has done. So for that, I would just want your 10 seconds maybe. Just close your eyes and repeat after me, or you can just say your own words and say your own sentences that you feel like. Just make sure whatever you're saying, you're actually feeling it. Thank you for the home, shelter, food, family and people who loves me. Thank you for always giving me the strength to fight through whatever it has been. Thank you for always being there next to me, taking care of me. Thank you for making my everyday a better one and helping me to get closer to my dreams. Thank you, universe. Now slowly open your eyes. I'm sure if you have actually felt every word I said or whatever you said into your head, you must be feeling a lot better already. It just takes 2 minutes to really show the sense of gratitude to the universe, even less than that, and you have no idea how impactful it is into your life through the process of manifesting something, or in general it gives you state of mind that is so peaceful and so healthy that you just feel awesome and above the world. And yeah, therefore I would just request you to keep on doing this process, no matter you be with me or don't. uh, if you be, then I make sure that with every video we do this, and if you don't, then to just make it a habit into your life, and have a powerful and great life. So thank you so much for staying connected till the end. That was all for today's video. I hope you really liked the video. If you did, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, also push that bell notification on so you stay updated with all of my videos that I make and upload. And yeah, until then, just keep smiling, take care of yourself, feel good, be good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.